Hi everyone, are you looking digital multimeter for home use? This video is made to help you find the best digital multimeter for home use. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price and more. Links all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. If you want to see stay up to date latest technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, FNIRSI, model number, S1. This product is a handheld large-screen digital display smart multimeter. It has the advantage of fast measurement data, large-screen LCD dual display lighting, and easy reading by users. It has functions such as overload protection and battery undervoltage indication. The multimeter can automatically detect AC or DC voltage, resistance, and continuity. FNIRSI S1 multimeter has a conversion rate of 3 times per second, an LCD display with a maximum of 9,999 counts and indications of input polarity. It is an ideal multifunctional tester whether it is a professional minor maintenance personnel, maintenance enthusiast, or beginner. It is a really useful tool for solving industrial and household electrical issues. Number 4. Brand name, UNI-T, model number, UT61 Series Plus. The UNI-T UT61 Series Plus multimeter is a versatile tool that offers a wide range of measurement functions, including AC or DC voltage and current, resistance, capacitance, frequency and temperature. With its 22,000 counts display and high accuracy, it ensures precise and reliable measurements for both professional and DIY projects. The UNI-T multimeter is equipped with advanced safety features such as overload protection, short-circuit protection, and a non-contact voltage detector, ensuring safe and worry-free operation. With its smart device capabilities, this multimeter offers a user-friendly interface that enhances your experience. Equipped with audible and visible alarm, this series can provide warning especially when measuring high voltage, current and temperature. The auto range feature ensures that the device automatically selects the appropriate range for accurate readings, while the continuity buzzer provides a quick and easy way to check for continuity in circuits. Diagnose automotive, industrial and household electrical issue in a breeze. Number 3. Brand name, HoldPeak, model number, HP90 EPC. HoldPeak HP90 EPC digital multimeter features a large, easy-to-read backlit LCD display, providing high-precision readings for various electrical measurements, ensuring accurate and efficient testing. The measured data stored in the instrument can be uploaded to computer for display, record and analysis. The small digital multimeter is easy to carry, and the tester can place the stand and measure and read data with both hands. It senses the brightness of the external environment and automatically turns on the backlight. The digital voltage tester has a data recorded function and can be connected to a computer via a USB interface for data transmission and processing. HoldPeak HP90 EPC detects the brightness of the external environment, automatically turns on the backlight when the outside light is dark for readability, and turns off the backlight when the brightness is sufficient. The difference between the measured value and the reference value can be provided directly, so it is easy to adjust. Compact and lightweight, this multimeter features a user-friendly design with an ergonomic grip for comfortable handling. The intuitive button layout and simple controls allow for quick and easy operation, making it accessible to both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The HoldPeak HP90 EPC multimeter is built to the highest safety standards, ensuring user protection against electrical hazards. Number 2. Brand name, ANENG, model number, Q1. ANENG Q1 multimeter features a bright HD screen, analog bar graph, and soft push buttons. The ANENG Q1 digital multimeter is a versatile and efficient tool for anyone who needs to measure voltage, current and resistance. The ANENG Q1 has an impressive 9,999 count display with true RMS capabilities. Displays values on a digital screen to help you check the real-time status of the test object. One unique feature of this multimeter is its data hold function, which helps you freeze any reading on the screen for later analysis. This means that it can provide accurate readings even when measuring AC signals with non-sinusoidal waveforms. The true RMS feature also allows you to measure DC voltage without having to switch between different modes. Auto-ranging helps correct errors to ensure the validity of the data. Both auto and manual ranges are selectable based on your preference. An analog bar graph is included for a visual representation of the measurement. It can also be used for resistance and temperature measurement, continuity test and diode test. It can also be used for resistance and temperature measurement, continuity test and diode test. Supports data retention, maximum grip and backlight. The ANENG Q1 is your professional pocket-sized multipurpose powerhouse for testing and measuring your various hobby projects. Measure with its intelligent auto-range and NCV non-contact functions. This multimeter kit comes with test leads to get you started with a few test pin heads, including the alligator clip. Its compact size makes it easy to use, while its backlit display ensures optimal visibility in low-light conditions, making it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 1. Brand name, FNIRSI, model number, DMT99. FNIRSI DMT99 digital multimeter can identify the measurement content and select the range with the best resolution, making the measurement more convenient and faster, takes out the guesswork for most applications. It is suitable for various electronic maintenance fields such as mechanical engineering, laboratories, automobiles and home appliances. Suitable for various fields of electronic maintenance such as engineering, laboratories, cars and home appliances. Supports DIY startup interface and creates your own personal entry interface. Custom thresholds can be set in multimeter monitoring mode, and a warning will be issued if the voltage exceeds or falls below the set threshold. Equipped with a 2.4-inch full-color TFT display screen with a resolution of up to 240 x 320, support DIY boot interface. A new UI interface design, and the first monitoring mode function, enriching your use experience and making operation more convenient in various scenarios. 1500 mAh rechargeable battery allows the multimeter tester to work longer. No more manually replacing bulky, unfindable disposable batteries. The Type-C port renews energy at any time.